You sleeping, Pee-wee? That's a weird way to hold your paws. Webster, I forgot to put in our video that you are 2 years old. Your birthday was Memorial Day 2 years ago, so happy birthday, Webster. Tumbles, we don't have a birthday for you, actually. So we're making you a Memorial Day, too. Which would make you just about the right age, because we don't know how old you were when we got you. So your birthday's Memorial Day, too, and you're 1 year old. So happy birthday, Tumbles. Another day in Seaside Heights, and that's where the boardwalk ends, Porter Avenue. No pilings going up after Porter to Seaside Park. It's just going to drop off into nowheres. Yeah, it's middle of the week. Crazy cuckoo fun here on Seaside Heights Boardwalk. That's right, it's a Wednesday, and we're going to see if it gets a little more busier than this. Anyway, it's a nice day, and the sun is shining. Let's hear it. That's enough of that craziness. Hey, what's going on here today? Alright, let's go. And sadly, one of the cats here, over here on Blaine Avenue here, or he was on Casino, or Grand Avenue actually, got hit by a car. One of the little tiger cats got hit by a car, so that's always a sad little thing when the cats get hit by a car, but they're going to roam into the street, and a lot of these people don't watch where they're going. Hey, duck, get out of there. Hey, you duck. Get out of that pool. Hey, Big Red. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, Big Red. Buddy, come here. Buddy and Big Red. Buddy and Big Red coming out to say hello. Hey, nice warm day, Seaside Heights. What do you think, huh? Let's watch the people go by. Casino Pier. It's closed today. A few more weeks it'll be open. 7 days a week. Right now it's closed. No Casino Pier today. Last thing we want to see is a fire truck in the middle of the road. quite sure what's going on there, but I didn't see anything, so just kicking some dirt around on the ground. Get him, Star, get him! Is that it? We're running out of things to do. It's getting cool and cloudy out here. And this will just be a little shorty video, but anyway, it's been fun anyway, folks. Hey, Pizza Cats and Friends Appreciation Society. Check us out on Facebook. Thank you. Inside the sawmill. And they got lights, they got ceiling fans, ceilings. A lot of work. The new boardwalk down. Taking away the siding that melted. And DVDs, or Funtown Park Arcade. That's it, friends. Can't think of anything else to do. Thanks for watching. Check me out on Sheetrock Girl's last video. It's called Under the Boardwalk with Ron and Henry, and it's pretty good. So check that out on YouTube, and check out our Pizza Cats and Friends Appreciation Society on Facebook. And thanks for watching, folks. And we're done here. And it's getting cloudy. And we'll see you over the weekend. Hopefully.